these little elf stickers to kind of keep me in check. I am going to take Riff. I'm going to start putting it all over my lid. And I'm going to start on the outer corner, and I'm going to go up pretty high. And this is going to help all the crazy colors transition. I'm going to take that color Drift, and I'm going to place it onto my lids. I'm going to start pretty low. This color is really, really pretty. This is something you definitely want to take your time with. So I'm just going to outline that lid for right now. Kind of just pack the color on. That's like what I'm most concerned about, is getting that color nice and pigmented. That's what I have on right now so far. It's looking a little harsh, but that's okay. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take like a little angled brush, and I'm going to take the black color in here, and it's called Jet. I'm going to stamp that where I want it. I'm not blending. I'm literally just stamping the color exactly where I want it. And then I'm going to start diffusing it down just so I can get lots and lots of pigment right there. You don't have to be very, very precise, because kind of like at the end is when I'm going to really start blending everything. Then I'm going to take more of a blending brush, and this is my Sigma Blending E25. I'm just going to pop it right into this dark brown shade. It's called Good As Gone, like just a little tiny bit. And I'm going to go onto the end, and I'm going to work that up. I'm just pushing it up. I'm not doing circular movements or anything, no windshield wipers, because the more you bring it in, the more it's going to close your eye off. So you just want to stick right where we put that black and just literally diffuse it out. I'm going to go in with a completely clean blending brush, and I'm just going to buff that because I don't want it to go too high. Because when that gray starts to go too high is when everything becomes very, very messy. I'm going to take an even smaller blending brush, and I'm going to go back into Drift, and that is the first shade we used on the lid, and that's where I'm going to start blending Drift into my crease. I'm going to start going a little bit higher, and I'm going to start going a little bit above my crease in the inner corner, so that I can really start making more definition into my eyelid. It's almost like we're carving that eyelid out, like you're contouring it a little bit. You're giving yourself a little bit more bone structure, if that makes any sense to you. Sometimes I know exactly what I'm talking about, and then I'm like, they probably think I sound like an idiot. So then I'm just gonna connect those two. And that's what's gonna give us that like really intense smoky without being too over the top. Then what I'm going to do again is I'm going to go back in with a clean blending brush, and I'm just going to buff this together just so it's not so harsh. It's more blended. Buff, buff, buff. It's all about the buffing. Go easy as you're buffing because you don't really want to wipe around that gray, so use a really light hand when you're buffing this. Then I'm just going to line my eyes and do just a little cat eye, but I'm just going to follow the line, and then I'm going to follow the tape line. This is from CoverGirl, so I'm just going to pat a little bit onto the top of my lids. So I just put it a little bit on the back of my hand. Nothing too crazy. I like how this is going to give me a little bit of a wet look as well, because it's supposed to be for your lips. So I like that. To open up my eyes a little bit, I'm going to use the white NYX one. And I'm not going to go really, really hard. So I'm going to keep it darker on the outer corner. A matte black, and I'm just going to literally set that on my lower lash line, like right where the lashes meet your skin, just so you could decipher from where we put the white eyeliner to the gray. This is my final look. I'm excited. I love this look. It's actually really easy. The reason I took my time was because I wasn't sure exactly what I was going to do. I'm really happy with it. I feel like it doesn't look horrible. Like, I always get so nervous with cool tone looks, but I feel like this one's very fun, awesome for like a girls' night out. I'm happy with it. So I hope you guys like this look, and I'll see you next time.